Ever been bothered by mosquito bites? Tired of the incessant itching and redness? Mosquito bites can be a common nuisance, especially during certain seasons or in certain regions. Well, fret no more, as we have some easy and effective home remedies that can provide you with instant relief. First, let's talk about using ice. By applying an ice pack or ice cubes for 10 minutes, you can significantly reduce swelling and itching. The cold temperature numbs the skin, easing discomfort and diminishing that irresistible urge to scratch. Simple and soothing, isn't it? But we have more to come. Moving on to our next remedy, applying pressure. By gently pressing on the mosquito bite for around 10 seconds, you can distract your brain from the itching sensation. Pressure application might seem too simple to be true, but it does work wonders. Here's another effective remedy, a homemade paste. Whip up a quick mixture of baking soda and water, just enough to form a thick paste. This concoction, when applied to the mosquito bite, can significantly reduce itching. It's a simple but powerful solution. And don't forget, there are other options too. Aloe vera, chamomile tea, honey, oatmeal and lemon balm are all excellent alternatives. Apply them to the affected area and feel the relief. And voila! You've got your homemade mosquito bite relief. So there you have it. We've explored remedies from applying ice and pressure to creating a soothing paste. We even dabbled in other solutions like aloe vera and chamomile tea. If you found these remedies helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Stay tuned for more amazing home remedies.